Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Youthman. Today, I'm excited to bring to you a new series on the channel. We're going to be doing several videos on the Hisense L5 100-inch TV. Now, in this series of videos, we're going to be doing an unboxing in this video. A future video, we'll be doing an unboxing as well as an assembly of the 100-inch screen that is paired with this projector. Then we'll also dive into the menu and go through all the setup and the calibration of the projector itself and how you would set it up in a living room environment. And then we'll do a final review. And so we want to give a big thanks to Hisense for sponsoring this series. So enough talking, let's get to unboxing. So here we've got the Hisense L5. And so I've had several ultra short throws in for review. And one thing I really like about the ultra short throw is if you have a living room environment like I do here in my friend Derek's home, it really adds the convenience of being able to set it up on a stand like this instead of having to climb in your attic, run cables like your HDMI. And so there are definitely some challenges with ultra short throw projectors, but I think it has a really, really unique value proposition to it. So we're gonna check this out here. So inside the box, we have two pair of white gloves that we'll be using when we install the screen. We have a remote control as well as two AAA batteries, a wrench to be able to adjust the feet of the TV, a laser TV user manual, a USB cable, a 3-prong IEC power cable. One thing that Hisense has included that I have not seen in any other ultra short throw projector that I've reviewed on the channel is a cleaning kit for the lens. It includes a cleaning cloth, a cleaning brush, and an air bulb that allows you to blow dust off the lens. And then lastly, we've got a quick start guide to get you up and running as quick as possible. All right, so we'll remove this thick padding here. So that's always nice when there's really thick padding to protect it during shipping. Oh, I like that. That actually has a good amount of weight to it. I'm just gonna slide this over. All right, and I believe this is the front. Spin it around here. All right. So now let's go ahead and take a closer look at the specs. The L5 has a stylish black and gray two-tone color scheme. Up front is really clean. Over to the far left, we have a Hisense logo as well as a standby indicator. Down at the very bottom is the IR sensor for the remote control and a black speaker grill that conceals 4 Harman Kardon speakers. And then at the bottom of the unit, you have 4 feet that are adjustable. So back to the wrench, there's a large section here that slides at the very bottom to be able to adjust like that. Or you can flip it around and use the smaller one and go right above the foot and adjust it that way. A view from the top shows the eye protection sensor, the lens with the laser that provides up to 25,000 hours of watch time, and over to the far right, we have a manual power button. So looking at the rear of the unit at the far left, we have a coaxial input that allows you to connect either an external antenna or to your cable box. Down below that is a 3-prong IEC power port. And then over to the far right, up at the very top, we have 2 USB connections. The far left one is a USB 3.0 and the right one is a USB 2.0. Below that, we have 4 HDMI inputs, HDMI 1 having ARC, which is your audio return channel. Down below that, there's a service port. Then up at the top right, we also have a secondary service port, 2 RCA outputs, 1 fiber optic digital audio output, and down at the bottom, we have a LAN connection. Now the L5 also has a wireless connection to allow you to connect wirelessly to your network. At the time of this video, the L5 is $1,000 off for only $29.99, so I'll leave a link to it down in the description below. And as always, you guys be blessed, and we'll catch you in the next video.